Hey, I just wanted to show you how to replace the bag in your Vacuflo Maxim or DB disposable bag unit. It's very easy. On the sides of the bucket there's two latches, and if you hold on the bottom of the bucket and release those two latches, you'll be able to drop the dirt canister off. All of your dirt will be contained here inside this bag, and depending on the model it will either be, as shown here, a 6-gallon bag or a 4-gallon bag. And if you reach up towards the top of the bag, you will feel a little plastic rim, and if you give that a quarter turn, you'll be able to slide this bag right off. So that cross-shaped design catches and allows you to release the bag. When the bag is full, you can actually remove this tab and seal the hole right up to throw it away. And then to replace a new bag, you simply pop it straight on, give it a little twist, and a little trick will be to attach both of your latches before you tighten either one of them and close it just like that.